Hey, Bigger Pockets, it's Matt, and I want to talk to you guys today on how Bigger Pockets brought me and my partner here a great deal in a super competitive market. I'm standing here in South Philadelphia, and for those of you that are on the East Coast, or even specifically around Philadelphia, you know, Philadelphia is booming, and it's very hard to find deals in Philly. We're in the, where are we at? Point Breeze?
Point Breeze.
Point Breeze section of Philadelphia, which is an extremely hard place to find deals. There's a lot of fix and flips going on here, a lot of renovations. I'm sitting here in the property looking at the window at new construction going on right across the street. It's all over the place. There's a lot of jobs coming into Philly, so it's a really, really competitive market to be. But what I want to talk to you guys about is how Bigger Pockets directly helped me get involved in a renovation right here in the middle of a really, really booming hot market, and we got a great deal, and we're going to make a great profit with our partners here. So here's way number one, the Bigger Pockets helped us with this deal. It introduced me to our partner, and this is Roberto. Say hi, Roberto. Cool. And Roberto and his wife Andresa are very active on BP, but also super active rehabbers in Philadelphia. They've done a lot of great deals, and they're looking to expand and do more projects. And my wife Liz and I are looking to expand our rehabs and looking for more partners that we can work with and bring equity and know-how into for deals in new marketplaces. So we were looking on BP, and we ran into Andresa and Roberto. They're wonderful people. Got friendship first, you know, dinners and drinks, and our kids are around the same age, and we became friends. And we always talked about how it'd be great to find an opportunity to do a deal together. This deal came up. Andresa and Roberto gave us a call, and that's how this happened. So it wasn't an immediate like, hey, let's meet on BP and find a deal. We met on BP, got into a relationship, built a level of trust, and then found a project. And then Roberto, tell us, how did the seller for this property, obviously this is a property that was not looking like this when we bought it. It's already had the demo done.
Yeah, this was owned by a local investor. They had a renter in here.
Right.
The
Before
renter,
the demolition, there was a renter in this place, you can see.
The renter got out. The investor, you know, wasn't looking to do the rehab.
Yep.
They just wanted to be able to sell it and walk away. We actually met her through Bigger Pockets as well.
Yeah, okay.
So, you know,
She's more like a landlord. She's more of a landlord on BP.
More of a landlord. Right. Didn't want to do the rehab. You know, we actually built a friendship with her. She told us, hey, listen, you know, renter's going to be out. She offered it to us.
Yeah.
Got a little creative, made the deal work.
Yeah.
And that's how we found this in, like you said, very super.
And she made money on selling the property to us too. So this was a profitable sale for hers too, right?
Yes,
so that's another way Bigger Pockets helped us, is by connecting us with landlords or just other types of investors that have opportunities that they're not able to take on themselves just because she's a landlord. Landlords maybe don't want to deal with fix and flips, but they've got an opportunity. I mean, she could have renovated it and got the tenant back in, but maybe just she's done. You know, maybe she wants to move into other things, buy other rental properties, whatever it is. But BP gave us the network to meet people that are in the playgrounds that we want to be in. They're in the playground, just playing in a different sandbox than we are, if you want to run with that analogy a bit. And so we're able to meet this seller who just had this property they were looking to sell, and built a relationship with them. You guys were in a good relationship with the seller. They trusted you guys too, developed trust, and then struck a deal. And the last way that Bigger Pockets helped us land this opportunity, and that is, it gave us the concepts and the ideas that we needed to structure a deal together, to form up with a joint venture that we did together. We're doing it through our entities combined that are doing this deal, and we had to structure a joint venture partnership to do that. There are plenty of articles and forum posts on BP, so we got the ideas from BP on how to do that. We used the BP flip calculator to determine the profitability on this deal, and we used a lot of inspirations from Jay Scott's books on how to do this renovation, because this property needs quite a bit of work, but that's nothing that can't be handled through the ideas and the concepts that are right there on Bigger Pockets on how to handle a renovation just like this. So those are three ways. Again, building networks with our partners, developing trust with people, and connecting with people with like minds and like goals. Meeting landlords that are in the same playground but not in the same sandbox that you're in, that maybe want to exit from a deal and make money and sell you a property. They can make some money, you can make some money through Bigger Pockets, and also getting ideas and inspirations on how to structure deals and how to do renovations. That is how Bigger Pockets got us into this very, very good deal that's in a crazy competitive marketplace. So without BP, without the connections that we made, there's no way we would be in on this deal. We would have gotten outbid by 20, 30% if we tried to come in off the street onto this deal. But through Bigger Pockets, we were able to make this deal happen. So what do you think, Roberto? Good stuff?
I think it's going to be a good one. Like Matt said, really one of the biggest keys is building those relationships and really trying to find off-market deals. We got lucky enough to know the owner, get in here. We had first shot at it.
This wasn't a market deal. This wasn't an MLS deal. No. This was an off the market.
It was off market. She gave us first shot at it. Luckily, we were able to get creative. Bring Matt and his wife in, partner up, and make the deal work.
Yeah. So good. Thank you, Roberto. Thank you, Bigger Pockets. Can't be grateful enough for all the networking and education we've gotten from it. So hope you guys are getting the same. Feel free to share below any questions, of course, you guys have on how we structured this or anything like that. I'll do my best to give you some more information on how we structured this relationship. And I'd love to hear some quick stories from you guys in the comment bar below on how Bigger Pockets has helped you guys grow your business and expand. Tell a quick short story in the comment bar below. Let's get into some chatter. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great and profitable week. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.